2014 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, center armrest, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, power windows, fog lights. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.